We're not after trout here.
Oh my God, so bad. What is this thing? It's nuts. Just doesn't want to go.
There it goes again. Oh, there's surface. Did it? Yeah, it swirled anyway.
Oh yeah.
It went right back down.
I saw something really big and gray.
What was it?
Like a yellowish kind of deal. Like
Coming closer.
the way the line, watch the way the line moves in the water. It's moving real weird.
If it's a redfish with another hook in it, then we know.
He's more angry this time.
Yeah.
Come on!
I ticked off.
Hey Dad, the meat looks cooked now.
Ooh, yep, big redfish.
Is
That's
that
way bigger than the one I had.
No way!
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, that thing is scary!
Oh, he's down.
Alright, let him have some line. I want you to hold him so we can
Under the boat.
Under the boat.
Oh my goodness graciousness.
Come on back here, baby.
He's going around that way.
Alright, come on. Move, Zave.
Alright, my line is out there.
No, he's going back.
He's trying to get to the prop.
My baby, my baby!
Oh man.
That is a huge redfish.